Well, hi there. It's Lance Gutterson again, bringing you an update from Estrella del Mar in Mazatlan, Mexico. The Dreams Hotel by Hyatt is coming along nicely. Today is January 1st, 2023, and Happy New Year to all those that are watching. Enjoy the update footage. At a cost of over $100 million, this new Dreams Hotel will have 374 rooms, conference facility for about 700, and 5 or 6 new restaurants to choose from. Expecting completion, it seems, by the end of 2023. Well, until we meet again from the sunny beaches of Mazatlan, Mexico and Estrella del Mar. Hopefully you've enjoyed this update. I'll try to bring you another one here in a few months. Take care.